Hello guys from Hong Kong, and today is a Wednesday, nothing special on my vlog. So I just pulled the vlogs from the noodles. So guys, hope you enjoyed. This one is my favorite one, and hope you like it guys. The middle of the night, 1:30 a.m. I just finished my office work and heading for Chinese noodles. I came to a typical Chinese noodles shop, and I just ordered the wanton alumni. Yes, this is the wanton alumni, and this is a very good for health, stomach. This is a pork, no, beef, and it's a dumplings, Chinese dumplings, and they are been really boiled up for 2-3 hours, and it's gonna be tender. All right, guys, let's have it. I just love the spice, I just love this spice. These are the spices, Chinese spices, kushari, and you just get a lot of sweating after this. I love this. It's very spicy, but tastes very good with the noodles, wings. That's it, guys. And I'm gonna use the chopstick as well. And this is how we roll the morning in Hong Kong. Let's guys roll off with the food. So this is the very tender part of the beef. Makes it strong. Very hot. It's good in the winter as well, and summer also. I have a little kind of cough, and that's why I'm just taking this one. But very hot, very good. I have a little bit cough, due to the too much air condition. It's so good. This is like a momo. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's really good. This part is very yummy. And this one is a shrimp dumpling. You can see the sorting from nose and everything. It just become red. This is spice. I just love this tendering. You should learn how to use this one so that you will not be abrasion. The soup very good, you know. Should love the soup. Hard soup. Make it powerful in the beef soup. Sweating down. Alright, this is the last bite of the tenderness of the meat. So I finished the wanton noodles and perfect finish. I'm now relieved, you know, I'm now feeling very good. Very good spice and very good noodles. It's very eminent time at 1 o'clock. Alright guys. Alright, heading home.